This video is going to be about upgrading the turbo on the Regal to a T70 from a TX50E, which is basically a TO4E 50 trim. So I'm going from a 5275 compressor wheel to a 5875 compressor wheel. Bigger turbine, stronger shaft, 360-degree thrust bearing, bigger compressor housing, and it's a twin scroll 82AR exhaust housing. It's a little bit more laggy, but the top end is nice. So this is going to be some pictures of the install and then some video of some pulls afterwards. I hope you enjoy. If you do, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share, help the channel grow. Thanks for watching. So even on wastegate, this thing rips with the T70. Alright, so turned up the boost in the Buick. I don't know what it's at. It should be between 12 and 13 pounds-ish. It's a manual boost controller, so a little hard to tell, but based on the amount of boost it raised with the old turbo, I'm going to guess somewhere around there. But I decided just to film myself this time. Since it's an automatic, I can actually do that. I don't have to shift. And I'm going to let you guys see my actual reaction to high boost or higher boost on the T70, the engine blowing up, or the turbo blowing up. Because that's pretty much what's going to happen. So, just waiting for a little break in traffic here. Alright. Let's see what this puppy feels like. In a second. So that was only 10.5 pounds and it felt way faster. So I'm going to give the boost controller a couple more turns and then we'll see what she does. Alright, here we go. Let's see what she makes. Ooh, shit! That was 15 pounds. Holy God, she was moving. I gotta turn that down. Alright, here we go. Perfect, 12 pounds. Damn, that thing rips. Ooh, I love this turbo. All right, so this should be about 14 pounds, which is where she's gonna sit. So. Baby! Oh man, she was scratching tires. That was a 1070 AFR, so I've got enough fuel, but that's definitely faster than 14 pounds on the TX50E. I'll tell you that right now. Holy shit. This thing moves. I love this car. This turbo probably won't last very long, but I've got the GT3582R ready to go on when it does fail, so we'll see, but damn, dude, super stoked the Buick's back. A little audio under the bridge. Just sounds so good. What's up, y'all? just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I appreciate everybody's support lately. It's been really cool seeing everybody supporting more probe content, more Buick content. I'm doing my best to get it out. I'm focused on the channel right now and some future goals of mine. So we will see where things go. So far, the probe and the Buick are ripping right now. Hopefully nothing breaks. I got to get the 626 fixed, and then yeah, all my cars will be running again. And then I've got a really cool project hopefully coming up here really soon. I'm going to be starting on that. I'm going to be starting a new channel for, and I think some people might be pretty excited about it. So stay tuned. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Help me grow. Help me get bigger. If I can get to the point where I'm monetized and get some money rolling in, that'll really help me with doing some content. So let me know. Let me know what you want to see.